Hey y'all, so I got this snack from Whole Foods and I'm gonna give a review on our channel or whatever, wherever you see me at, because I'm gonna post this on Facebook, I think, too. So it's called Hail Mary. It's key lime pie citrus cups. It's 5.5 grams of sugar per cup. It's a lot of sugar if it's added. I think it does have added sugars. But it's coconut sugar, so it's better. It's not regular powdered sugar. Great. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, almond flour, cashews, coconut oil. No dairy, no eggs, no soy, no sugar alcohols, no palm, no sunflower, no safflower oil. But it is plant-based, low temp crafted, superfood ingredients. It has virgin coconut oil and project verified. It says enjoy the benefits of energizing coconut oil and good fats from nuts while eating something super luxurious and delicious at the same time. Be Mary, Suzanne. Suzanne's the founder. Exceptional ingredients, extraordinary taste. So anytime you are purchasing items, please make sure you read the ingredients, y'all. It says the ingredients is coconut, agave, coconut oil, coconut sugar, almonds, cashews, lime juice, coconut flour, filter water, and lemon juice, and sea salt. These are really good ingredients. It's not too much bad stuff in it. So this is something I probably would get a few times. It's not my last time getting this, unless it's nasty. Okay, this is how it looks. It came out really small. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, wait. Dang. I feel like I need a spoon, so I'm going to actually use a spoon because it look like it's gonna be messy. The bottom. It's super rich in coconut. It's good, y'all. I'll get it again. Review. Ooh, it's good. 10 out of 10. And then the ingredients are really good. I'm trying to find me some healthier option snacks because I like to snack. And I think snacks are good for like on the go. Me being on the go so much with 2 kids, and having a job, and having a mom. So it's good. Do your dance. Do your dance. Thanks for watching.